So yeah, so I just need a little bit more tuning, but overall it's pretty good. You know, I just used the stock settings of the EC135 out of the package. So only thing I checked was the GPS and compass calibration, and then the servo arms were at the 90-degree mark, and then the stick calibration. But I didn't change any of the pitch or the head speed. And so far we're doing pretty good. The buzzer hasn't gone off yet. It's at 37.9. Unfortunately, oh, there it is. So that was returned home. I took back over. We finally made it to the end with one crash under this fuselage's belt, and it was easy to rebuild, which was great. That's what it's designed for. It is a universal test bed for FlyWing. The 4-blade quick release mechanics work perfect right out of the box. FlyWing's quality control is getting a lot better from a couple years ago to now, so excellent job FlyWing for that. Now when you do get this, it may say EC135 on it. You can always flash it to a different helicopter profile. You're not stuck to that. But the best thing about this whole helicopter is that you can tune out your settings or tune out the helicopter to your liking. And that's what I like about this test bed. For me, going forward, I'm just gonna buy the quick release mechanics and stuff. It's just cheaper, and I can 3D print a whole bunch of fuselages for different aircraft. But I do need a test bench aircraft, and this is gonna be my main test bench. And I also have some future plans of doing some FPVing with it. And there's a little cool, I'm not gonna say what this is gonna be next, but it's gonna be something really awesome, so stay tuned for that. I just gotta work out the kinks. But overall, it's a great helicopter, and I was super happy. And it's very quiet, surprisingly. So yeah. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel, and have a good one.